Welcome back, people. We are on the first ride on the Ado A20F, otherwise known as an electric fat bike, 500 watt motor. We also have the Paslic electric mountain bike. This one isn't folding, and we got plenty of videos of this, an unboxing video and uphills, downhills and different types of tests with this bike coming very soon. Also a few upgrades. We're changing the tires. We've got some awesome top of the range new Continental tires, and of course the best carbon fiber handlebars. All of that's not on there yet. We'll do a separate video of that. We do have a playlist of just e-bikes and electric scooters. You can check that out if you're interested. On the Ado A20F, I've done the speed hack on this, and I've adjusted the power assist, because when you're pedaling, waiting for that pass to kick in takes quite a while. So I've got it so it's more snappy. So if you want to see more videos on this, we're going to be doing off-road tests after this one. So if you're interested in this electric folding bike, or even this one, then that's a good reason to hit that subscribe button. Any comments, do leave in the comment section below, and I will try and get back to you as quick as I can. Don't forget to drop a like on the video as well. So this is our first test. Now obviously I have rid a little bit. We've done 7 miles to get to where I am. I have rid a little bit, and that's because I wanted to make sure I'm actually able to ride this thing. So the power assist is definitely a lot more powerful, that's for sure. I will show you throttle only in a moment. Camera at the right angle, there we go. Right, so we got 5 power assists. It did start off with 3, but I've changed that. As I said, I will go into the P settings. The P settings, you hold the plus and minus. I will go into that, and I will show you all the settings that I've got on this bike, just in case you want to have yours set out the same way. But we did do an unboxing video on this as well. My brakes are a little bit squeaky. I did over tighten them, but they are wear down over time anyway, so I'm not too bothered about that. We are going to do a little bit of throttle only in a moment when we get along here. So to start off with, it just feels absolutely great. So one thing to show you real quick, actually, I forgot about this. Let me quickly show you this. So there is a button here for the headlight. Don't know if you can really see that, but there you go. So there's the headlight, and because I'm near horses, I'm not going to do it too much, but we got a little horn as well. I did change the pedals on this bike just because I don't like folding pedals. I don't like plastic pedals. We've done a separate video of upgrading the pedals and the handlebars, carbon fiber on these ones as well, which is yet to come, and something else as well that we'll be adding onto this bike. So we got levels of assist. We got 5, and if I go up to assist 3, that's level assist 3. So that's the maximum pass assist. Right now it feels like air. I'm in the heaviest gear, 7th gear. It gets to around about 16 miles an hour. We're at 12 at the moment. Sorry if there's any wind. I didn't think the best day ahead, but I wanted to hurry up and get out and make this review. We're not sponsored in any way, but I will leave a link below on where I got this bike from, because the guy was very helpful. He was a nice guy, helped me get exactly what I wanted and let me know everything about the bike as well. Always be ready for the unexpected. We're going to get some things to work. I don't have any we do have the throttle activated, so I take it up to assist 5, I use the throttle, and then I can then use it again. I did adjust that setting when I did the unboxing video, so you can always check that out if you're interested. So the top speed is 26 miles an hour. I haven't actually hit 26 yet. I'm pretty sure we're going to get close to that as we're coming down this hill here. So let's go down here. I am going to stop the video down there, just because, as I said, we're going to grab some water from the shop real quick, and then we'll come back up this way and continue the video. So this is throttle only. This thing sounds like an absolute tank. The tyres are 4-inch wide, and this thing is moving quick now. 22 there. Blind bend, so I didn't want to go too fast there. The sound of the tyres. This bike looks a lot bigger in real life compared to videos, that's for sure. Alright, so there's a shop just here. So we're going to quickly stop here, go into the shop, and I'll bring you guys back. Alright, and we're back. We're re-energised. I came up the hill. I forgot to hit record coming up there. Anyway, back here. The wind picked up even more. So we're going to do separate videos uphill tests and stuff like that. But that was pretty cool riding down that hill. I got to be honest, when you're coming up hills, it definitely coming up hills, you have to put a little bit of effort in. You definitely have to put effort in. But I don't mind that though, because I wanted an electric bike so I can cruise on the straight, but then put a bit of effort in going up and down hills. Keep a little bit fit, so that's good. The battery, but we dropped down to 2 when I'm using the pedal assist. So, but again, that is because I am using a speed hack as well. So the speed hack, of course, is going to drain that battery that little bit quicker. But to come here, I did come up a very steep hill, and it was quite a long way, to be fair. It was quite a hill I came up. Doing these rides on these insanely cold days, it's not the smartest thing to do. Wait. I'm down to at the headlight on. Okay, the battery's gone back up to 4 bars. So we're going to do a little bit of off-roading, but I'm going to probably make another separate video of doing more off-roading. So keep an eye out for that. Oh yeah, real quick. Let's quickly show you my P settings real quick. So we hold the plus and minus, we go into P settings. So 1 is the display brightness, 2 is miles per hour, that's the way I like it. 3 is the voltage, some of these I don't know. P4 is 10. Of course you can pause the video at any point. 20, that's the size of my tyre. Number 8, as you see, 100, that's the speed hack. Number 9 is to use the throttle. And then there's my other settings. P11 is 01, P12 is 0005, P13 is on 12, P14 is on 15, P15 is 29.0, and then 16 is my overall mileage, which is 8 miles so far. So there we go, there's the P settings. I thought I'd just quickly show you that. If you want to save anything, you hold the plus and the minus, and then it'll go back to the normal display like that. So that's our first ride test, not very long, because as I said, I wanted to make another video of doing a bit of off-road. That video is going to come straight after this one. Obviously we're already here. We're going to go a little bit of off-roading and see how this bike does. So make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on more on the Ado A20F electric fat folding bike. We'll catch you people again soon for some more fun and games. I am out.